Welcome to a world of possibilities. Today, we are unlocking the secrets of the stock market, starting with the creation of your very own Demat account. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? A Demat account is like your personal bank vault, but instead of gold and jewels, it's filled with stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's digital, easy to manage, and the key to your investment journey. Choosing a brokerage is like selecting your financial dance partner. You want someone who matches your pace, understands your style, and is there to support when you stumble. Consider the fees, user interface, and customer support before making your choice. Now onto the paperwork. Gather essentials like your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and passport-sized photos. It's the first dance step in your stock market journey. With documents in hand, it's time to go digital. Visit your chosen brokerage's website, locate the Open Account option and fill in your details. Upload the necessary documents and voila, you've mastered the first steps of the digital dance. Next comes the verification process. This could involve a video call or a document check, depending on your brokerage. It's a quick cha-cha leading you closer to the stock market dance floor. With verification complete, it's time to fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer the funds. Now, you're all set to make your first investment moves. Once logged into your Demat account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's your control panel, your DJ booth, guiding your investment decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Demat account. Remember, investing is a dance, not a sprint. It's about making the right moves at the right time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the wisdom with your fellow investors. Until next time, keep dancing to the rhythm of financial success. As we wrap up, remember, we're here to help you master your financial dance moves. If you have any questions or requests for the next tutorial, drop them in the comments. Stay groovy, investors, and we'll catch you in the next video.